I am having this vratam from the day one I made this avataram, and the final person that I am expecting is telling Sugriva that you directly go and get Vibhishana. He's standing in the sky, ask him to come down, and immediately you bring him here. If you see some other person behind Sugriva, these 4 Rakshasas he is not mentioning, he is mentioning another person, and he is telling Vibhishana, if that person whom I am expecting, but he will not come, if he is present there by chance, immediately you don't run here. There is another person following Vibhishana, who it is Ravana, it seems. Vibhishanova Sugriva Yadiva Ravana Swayam. So if Ravana is standing there, Ravana, I didn't get permission from Ramachandra Prabhu. Immediately you don't come to me again. You yourself give him abhayam. I am ready to accept him also. Vibhishanova Sugriva Yadiva Ravana Swayam. Let Ravana himself be there. So sometimes the older brother can accept what the younger brother says, right? Sometimes. But in the case here, it is not going to happen. But Ramachandra Prabhu is telling that how compassionate he is. He is even ready to accept Ravana if he is present there. So Vibhishanova Sugriva Ediva Ravana Swayam. So immediately Sugriva rushes, immediately calls Vibhishana, and Vibhishana comes and falls at the feet of Ramachandra Prabhu. So immediately when he came and falls at the feet of Ramachandra Prabhu, Ramachandra Prabhu is hugging him, it seems. So Vibhishana is really happy, and few Vanaras questioned Vibhishana, how was your situation when we were in this conversation? Because he is waiting there. Look, think of Vibhishana's perspective. Then whether Setupara, Matara, we are going to get admission into a college, we have applied for it, and how will our situation, Kadekuma, Kadekada, will we be able to enter it or not? Permission Kudupala. Likewise, few Rakshasas asked Vibhishana, it seems, how was your situation at that time? What were you thinking? I am 100% confident that Ramachandra Prabhu has accepted me. Why? Because first, before the conversation itself, Ramachandra Prabhu silent abhayam kudutara. Secretly he has given him abhayam. So Vibhishana was waiting. So he is telling that already Ramachandra Prabhu gave me abhayam. Just these conversations for just namesake. Just there are few people, they should be respected. These several Vanaras have come for Ramachandra Prabhu's case. So for that situation, he should be respecting them. So for that only he was asking, but he already gave me a glance and told me that I am accepting you. But let these conversations come to a conclusion. So he says that Ramachandra Prabhu already accepted me. I am not worrying. So immediately Vibhishana is accepted. Once Vibhishana is accepted, now the second problem. How should we cross the ocean? What is the way to cross it? So immediately Vibhishana is raising his hand. He has been accepted, right? So he is giving his opinion. So all others were only giving opinion. Now he is giving his opinion. The first opinion he is giving that immediately Ramachandra Prabhu can do Sharanagati to the ocean. See? Because he has followed a path of Sharanagati, and immediately it has given him results. So he is telling that why not Ramachandra Prabhu do Sharanagati to Varuna Bhagavan, so that seeking his self, because he is the Lord of oceans. So let him do prayer, do Sharanagati to Varuna Bhagavan. So Ramachandra Prabhu accepts it.